Hey guys, Race Harold here at VOD RV here in Fort Worth, Texas. Today I'm going to be walking around and showing you the 2021 Red 38LL. This coach is on a Freightliner chassis. It has the Cummins 340 engine in it. Guys, it's full body paint, no decals. Some nice features that you still get. You've got your propane tank right up here in the front. But look up here on top, guys. This goes pretty deep. You can put tables in there, lawn chairs, whatever you need. It makes a nice place for some outside storage. Right next to it, you also have one. And if you'll notice when you're getting on this, the difference between this, you've got this hanging down. You don't have as much storage going across as you do on the other Reds or other diesels by Tiffin. But it still gives you ample storage. I mean, look at the great storage you got. You got your central vac system right in here. And guys, one thing about Tiffin that's different, if you go to an Allegro bus, the door structure is the exact same thing as what you're getting here. They're solid. Let me shut this up for us. You have your outside LG TV, you got the sound bar that's in it, and now they've added USB ports over here that makes it really nice for you. Also new for 2021, all of the Tiffins are going to have the complete Girard awning package on it. And guys, if you don't know that much about them, Girard is kind of like the Viking of the refrigerators. They're the best that you can do. It's got LED lights on it. Almost all my coaches are going to have the residential refrigerator. This is just an access panel that we can get into it if we have to work on your refrigerator. LED lights for outside. Starting last year, I believe, they put in the kitchen window, the galley window. That's right up here. It makes it real nice. If you're up there, you're looking outside, you got the ocean or lake or whatever out here, you're looking straight out at it from the kitchen. We'll go right back here. Now we also got rid of the regular gas electric hot water heater. This is the Truma Aqua Go. It's going to be pretty much a hot water on demand. Everything that Tiffin does is tries to make it to where it's a super comfortable unit for yourself. This coach is going to have the ladder on the rear of it. Like I said, this coach has the 340 Cummins engine. Got a place right out here for your oil, transmission check. You can check your engine oil over there, your fluids, your filter. A lot of people ask me what this is. That's if you ever have a problem with the engine, they can come out here, hook their laptop computer up to it, shoot it to find out the problem. You have a 5,000 pounds towing on this unit. $50-amp service. This coach comes with a built-in surge protector. It's hardwired in. I'm not saying that's the best. I would still recommend, if it was me, to buy the surge protector that goes onto the end of your cord before you plug it in. And the only reason I say that, because it's kind of redundant because you have this, but if you were to get a power short that were to hit it and knock that surge protector out, you're still out of service. It just protects everything inside. So if you do that, it will trip that and not get to that, and you're still good to go. It's a great investment for not much money. This coach, I don't know if you noticed on the other side, you have two furnaces on this coach. So you have a front furnace and a rear furnace. Here's another neat thing about the Tiffin motorhomes. If you look right here is your water pump. That way it's very accessible. If you ever have a problem, it's right there. Right to the right of the water pump, the red and the blue lines, that's your hot and cold water low point drains. Right down here is a fresh water drain. This hoses for winterization. This is your water filter. All the water coming into this coach, even if you're going to put water in your holding tanks, it is filtered. So when you go out somewhere, you have filtered water. You also have plug-ins. Those two are the other side of the storage. That's your coach batteries, not the chassis, but the house batteries, and they're on the slide-out tray. Other thing, this coach has dual fuel fill. Fill it up from either side of the coach. Driver's side or passenger side, you can fill it up. Another nice feature on this, Michelin tires and Alcoa aluminum wheels. Another thing that they've done different, they used to have the side view cameras down low, but people were saying they got too much road glare at night. When people come up, they got their headlights on to hitch and can't do it. So they've integrated the cameras up here to get away from that road glare. What I was doing is grabbing the release for the front where the generator's at. You have the Onan diesel generator. Guys, with a 50 amp service, you got the air conditioners on top, so you're good to go. Crank it up, run it, and let's have fun. You gotta remember, we're buying motorhomes to have fun. These are not a necessity of life, they're a luxury of life. That's what RVing's all about. You got the 3M diamond shield on the front. You really can't even see it. It's just to help protect against road chips. Now let's step inside this bad boy and see what you think. To me, this is an impressive coach for the dollars. You can start right up here. Adjustable shelves. Metal glides back here, not plastic. Whoever buys this one, Bob Tiffin personally autographed this coach. We appreciate it. A lot of people like it. This particular unit does not have on the red 340s, does not have the overhead TV. But look at the abundance of storage that you have up here. And it goes all the way across on the front. Metal hinges, so they're adjustable. This coach has the booth dinette. This drops down and makes a bed. This one has the farmhouse sink that a lot of people, you either love them or you don't. I kind of like it. The nice thing about having the farmhouse sink, if you're traveling, you can set a crock pot right down here and put something in it and be cooking in it while you're going down the road. It's long enough and deep enough to hold it without having to worry about it. Here's the window that I was talking about. Mowing faucets, you come out, put it wherever you want to do. 3-burner gas cooktop. And guys, for this year, I've noticed they've changed to the Whirlpool convection oven, and it makes it really nice. This is a super, super nice unit. But you can see the convection. You got your tray inside. More pantry over here. The nice thing about not having the oven is look at all the storage you get. Great for pots and pans. And this is new for this year. You got the 2 separation of couches. This is going to fold out and make a little bed. You have 2 power recliners over here that's straight across from the TV and the fireplace. Nothing says I love you more than sitting here with your significant other, feet up, fireplace on, and watching a movie. Then you can have the furry friends right over here next to you. Residential refrigerator. You got a 10-year warranty on it from LG. A lot of people ask me on these motorhomes, what is the advantage of a residential refrigerator over the old gas electric refrigerator? What's the disadvantage? A lot of people think it's a disadvantage because if you're out camping and you're going to do some dry camping, what am I going to do for power? Well, you have an inverter on board. So your inverter is going to take those house batteries that we were looking at a minute ago, take that and invert it in to your 110 so your refrigerator and freezer can keep running. It'll last you like 48 hours before you do anything. In that 48-hour period of time, you're going to have to start the generator, let it run for a couple hours, and it fully charges up your batteries. Or if the engine's on, the alternator is charging the batteries. So to me, there is no disadvantage. The biggest advantage is you can open this thing up, leave it like this, get stuff out of it, leave it open for this long. Take it over here, put your stuff in the kitchen, wherever you want to do. Come back, get something else out. You shut the door up. You come over and you go, oh man, I forgot to get something out. Go back over, open it up, and it's still cold in there. On the gas electric refrigerator, as long as I had that door open, it's going to get hot in there. It's going to take a long time to cool back down. This isn't. So there's no disadvantage for me on a residential refrigerator over the gas electric. As we're going through here, you're going to notice when we're talking about Tiffin, it's LG. It's LG TVs. The cabinetry, everything about this is a top notch. We're not going to cheat you anywhere. Michelin tires, Alco wheels, solid surface wood. Look at all this storage you got going across the top up here, guys. And this runs right here, and it goes all the way on this slide. LED lighting. And if you'll notice, one thing that I'll point out as we're going, there's goods and bads. This one being on the Freightliner chassis, and it's not on the other ones that we have with the bigger chassis. The floor is not a flat floor to slide. You have the little riser there. That's not a negative though, really, on this, because all your floor is flat when you're sitting on a bench, and you never notice it here because the recliners come out and then the bed comes out. But it's a flat floor going all the way back. The thing I really like about this motorhome, me personally, it's a bath and a half. So my wife's going to take over the bathroom in the back. This is going to be mine, but I've got my sink in there. I mean, it's just a win-win situation when we're talking about something like this. You got friends or kids or something. Y'all are back here in the back. You got people up front. You shut your door to go to bed. They've got their own bathroom up here. You've still got your bathroom in the back. It's a win-win situation all the way around. We go back here to the master bedroom. USB ports on both sides of the king-size bed. LG TV. That pulls up. There's your switches, your TV antenna, your Winegard satellite. This comes, it's already got an in-motion satellite on it. It's got the Wally, and it's a dish receiver. You've got, there's your little Blu-ray player, or LG. That just lifts up, lighting. Nice storage, closet storage on both sides of the bed. Like I said, you have the king size bed. The one thing that makes this really nice on the Tiffins, like I said, you have the USB ports here, but then you also have 110 outlets up here on both sides of the bed. Look at the storage above the bed. You can put a lot of equipment up there. I have some customers that have the CPAP machine. What I recommend to do there is you go bore out a hole right here. You put your CPAP machine up here, you drop your power cord down, you drop your mask through it, leave the CPAP up here. Drop your mask down, plug it in, that way you get up in the morning, you take it off, unplug it, pull it up, everything's stored out of the way. So, just makes it nice. On this one, you also have the lift-up storage. Winter clothes, sheets, blankets, all big items that you use sometimes, but not all the time. Look at the storage you got there. And if you notice, it's a flat floor all the way back to the bathroom. We get back into the bathroom, and it's very spacious for a motorhome this size. Stacked washer dryer. There again, it's a whirlpool. Bigger shower. I'm a big boy. I can get in there and I can still do this. Some of these motorhomes, you got to go back to the 70s and get that brute soap on a rope if you're in here because you're so tight. This one, if I drop the bar of soap, I can pick it up. It's high up here, so if you're 6'5", 6'6", there's not a problem. You can stick your head up here and check the roof while you're in there. You have the one sink. Pull out storage space here. Plus you still have the vanity here. You have duct air conditioning. It runs all the way throughout the coach. And if you noticed a minute ago, all your doors are going to be pocket doors. You push down, release the lock, pull it over, locks right back in. It's all slid on the track. Push it to release it, open it up, so when you're traveling, it's locked in. This one should have the, here's your comfort air to be able to run the air conditioners. And then you're going to have the firefly system. You can check here your main lights. You can cut them all on. You can cut whatever you want on. There's your fans, the galley fan, the bath fan, and the rear bathroom. You can cut fans on. That's your slide out. That'll run the rear. And that's just your settings button. And then you can hit your home button and it'll go back. Main galley water pump and all that. The main slide out is controlled right here. It's off the driver's seat. And a lot of people say, well, why would they put that on the driver's seat? One of the biggest insurance, one of the biggest claims they had in the previous years, people go to bring their slide out in. The button's in the middle. As you'll look, this seat is in the way of the slide out. Well, the slide out doesn't recognize it. The slide out hits the seat, keeps going, bends the seat and puts you at an angle like this. Well, that's not a warranted issue. So what they've done is they've transferred it up here. That way, when you bring in that slide out, you can see if you're going to hit the chair. So they've done that. Guys, this is the Red 340. It's got 2 air conditioners, duct, diesel generator, 5,000 pounds towing, residential refrigerator, the 2 power recliners, the bed. You can sleep 2, 3, 4 to 5 pretty comfortable. This is just a heck of a motorhome, and we've got it attractively priced. Please give me a call. It's Race Harold, Vod RV, 817-831-1800. Make sure and check us out on Facebook. Put a like to us. Check us out on YouTube, guys. We are here 100% for y'all. Without y'all, we're nothing. We are one of Tiffin's oldest dealers in the nation. Been a dealer over 40 years with them. Guys, we look forward to it. If this isn't the right color for you, we can order you one. We can do whatever you want to do. Guys, I appreciate your time. Thank y'all.
Thanks for watching our video. If you have any questions, be sure to drop a comment below. Or if you have any suggestions on content you'd like to see, we'd love to hear about that. Go ahead and give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again from Vod RV.